Hello student, today I am going to start second lecture of pressure. In second lectures, I am going to discuss about atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure means the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. And atmospheric pressure is maximum at sea level, and as we go from the sea level at high altitude, then atmospheric pressure decreases. It means the normal atmospheric pressure, the normal atmospheric pressure is 7 से 60 mm of Hg at sea level. At sea level. Sea level. Or when we write in SI unit, this is mm of SI is not SI unit of pressure. And when we express in SI unit, then the normal atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal comes. How we can comes means how this value can be calculated. Then here, like as if this is 760 mm, it means what? Like as it is a mercury barometer, and in mercury barometer there is a glass tube or tube dipped inside it, and which is of the 100 centimeter, and this is mercury. When atmospheric pressure applied the pressure on the mercury, then this mercury column rise up in this tube up to this, suppose, and this is of 1 meter tube, that is 100 centimeter. And here 760 mm means what? That is 760 mm. This is 760 mm means millimeter, or instead of this we can write 76 centimeter also. It means 0.76 meter also. When we calculate the pressure, then P is equal to, we already know liquid pressure is H dg. H means 0.76 meter into d 1000 kg per cubic meter, density of water, density of mercury we have to take 13,600 kg per cubic meter into 9.8, and this become Pascal. When we calculate, then 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal comes, and this value is here. In this way, atmospheric pressure in SI systems we can change, or you can calculate. Okay. Another, here atmospheric pressure decrease as we go at high altitude, and so that is atmospheric pressure is less in mountain regions than that above the Tarai. Okay. And when the mountain climbers climb on mountains, then there is a deficient of oxygen because there is less atmospheric pressure, and they have to carry the oxygen cylinder. Okay. Another, atmospheric pressure, it is, that is the atmospheric pressure, atmospheric pressure is measured by a instrument called barometer. It means barometer is an instrument which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay, now I am going to discuss about density. And here one thing you have to know, as we go above, the sea level, the atmospheric pressure decreases. Okay, another, this is a point, another, density. What is density? Density means the mass per unit volume, or the mass occupies in unit volume. Unit volume means 1 cubic meter volume is known as density. The mass per unit volume is called density. Density is D is equal to mass M by volume V. Its SI unit is kg per cubic meter. Okay. And this formula D is equal to M by V, this so that density is directly proportional to mass when volume constant. Another, density is inversely proportional to volume when mass constant. It means, like as when we compare the two substances, one is lighter, another is heavier. Like as when we take the 1 cubic meters, when we take sand in 1 cubic meters and another water in 1 cubic meters, then sand is heavier than water. And this so that the density means in unit volume, mass occupied by the sand is more, and so density of sand is more than that of water. In this way, another, density of liquid, density of water, we can write also, density of water is measured by hydrometer. Other, density of milk is measured by lactometer. It is also a type of hydrometer, lactometer. And density of some substance have to know, like as the density of water is 1000 kg per cubic meter. Density of mercury is 13,600 kg per cubic meter. It means here 1000 kg per cubic meter the density of water. What does it means? It means the 1000 kg of water can occupies in 1 cubic meter of vessel, and is similar, that is the same cubic meter, that is 1 cubic meter of the vessels, the mercury occupies 30,600 kg. It means the mercury is heavier than that of water because its density is more. Okay. Another word term comes, relative density. Relative density. What is relative density? Relative density means the ratio of density of substance to the density of water at 4 degrees C. Here relative density is equal to density of substance by density of water at 4 degrees C, and we have to take at 4 degrees C because it is a standard density and which is maximum density at the 4 degrees C. Okay, this much for today. Another day I will talk about another